Hello friends, in this video we will see how we can get views on our YouTube video with help of search. So using this method your video will come on first page or in first place in search results in Google as well as YouTube. So you can see I'm getting around 5500 views in 48 hours. So this is my new channel. So you can also get views like this. So if you get views from YouTube search, then YouTube uh, send you views from other channels also, like browse feature, suggested video, other YouTube features. So let's get started. So now if we search for this title, so here is our video. So you can see my video is on first place in search results. So you can also do similar thing. So now YouTube is providing its own SEO tool or search engine optimization tool. You can use that tool to get views via search results and grow your channel. So you have to come to your channel and then go to analysis, sign into Google your YouTube account and come to this analysis tab and then click on research tab. So from here you can choose this option also, your viewers searches. So if you choose this option, then YouTube will show you what your subscribers are searching on Instagram. Sorry, like Instagram or Facebook or any other topic. So you can select or apply filters from here. So if you want, uh, if you select this first filter, you can select content gaps only, click apply. Then these topics will be shown on which very few videos are available. So if you create videos on these topics, then your video will rank higher on search results easily. So you can see uh, there are many topics which are showing content gap. So it means no content or very few content is available on this title. So you can select these titles and then you can go to Google to paste this title. So you can come here for more results, and suppose we want to create video on this title, how to remove quiet mode on Instagram. Let's upload a demo video. Mm, so you can see I have uploaded this video for demo purposes. Now I will tell you how you can write your title to get maximum views from search. So you have to copy these uh, title and paste it here. How to remove quiet mode on Instagram, or you can use YouTube too. So you have to find long tail keyword, means a long keyword which contain multiple keywords. So like you have to type this keyword here. So if in Tamil, in Telugu, messages, chat, if you find anything useful you can use full title also, like uh, chat after Instagram. So I think it's fine. We can use this one. So how to remove quiet mode on Instagram, how to turn off quiet mode on Instagram, we can use this one also. This one is also similar, how to remove quiet mode in Instagram. So paste it here and then you can paste how to quiet mode on Instagram. So paste it here, and now you have to upload any thumbnail. So we have some more. How to do quiet mode on Instagram. So we can use these titles in tags. So if someone will search for this title, then also our video will appear in search results. Paste. So you can put up to 500 keywords here. So now how to disable quiet mode, how to convert. So okay, now if you are not able to find some keyword, then you can use Google also. So you have to search for the first title here, and then scroll down to this menu, and you can select uh, these titles from here, copy and paste here. So copy these also. So that's how you can write your tags and title. So then one more thing you have to do, you can select video language as English, or if you are creating video in some other language, you can select that language. So I am targeting United States. You have to search United States and then select that country, and now you are ready to post after uploading thumbnail. So that's how you can write these titles to get maximum traffic from search results. So one more thing, you can come here and click on search across YouTube. So if you have some title or some topic in your mind like AI videos, so you can search that topic here also, and then it will give you content idea like AI editing videos format. So content gap is not available here much, so we will select all searches. So you can see people are searching for these titles related to AI, how to make AI videos, AI generated videos, how to make AI video in mobile. So if you create a video on these titles, then your video then there is high chances that your video will come on first place in search results. So that's how you can use this uh, YouTube new tool for search engine optimization. And if you want to target any certain country or certain language, then you can do it from here also. So if you want to if you want to use Hindi language, then you can click on Hindi and select apply. So now Hindi titles or Indian titles will come. So we will go back to English, and from here you can now India is selected. So if you want to target United States, then you can select United States and click on apply. So now only United States YouTube search results will be shown. So if you create a video according to these title, then your video will rank in United States with English language. So that's how you can get more views and more money, because United States pay you more money than other countries in YouTube, AdMob, and other uh, content which support AdSense. So I hope you have learned something new. So if you like this video, do some good comment below this video so that we can create more such videos for you, and also press like button below this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any other question, you can do comment below this video.